One of my favorite flowers are roses. I love roses. And when rose essential oil is made by steam, one side you get the oil and the other side you get the byproduct, which is the rose water. I think a lot of you are familiar with the rose water. And rose water goes hand in hand with helping dry skin. It's like a love affair of rose water and dry skin. When your skin starts to feel flaky and dry and it needs some extra care, there comes the rose water to give it this beautiful care. It smooths the skin gently and soothes it, and it's the rose water are known for helping with various skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema due to its anti-inflammatory properties. The ability of rose water to be gentle on the skin and cool it down also calm down any irritations and rashes, and it gives long-lasting hydration and moisturizing. So you can have just the rose water if you want to buy it, or I can make for you the flower water toner that contains not only rose water but also jasmine and geranium, which are just a bliss, a celebration for your skin. You can just spray it around and you already feel like this beautiful hydration. And it also helps maintain the natural pH balance of the skin. You know, if you use a lot of harsh soap and face wash product, it can disbalance the natural pH of your skin, and then the rose water can restore the pH balance and help it. Regularly applying rose water is particularly beneficial if you are prone to acne, because it prevents your skin from having this excess oil and grow more bacteria causes acne. And when you're exposed to harmful UV radiation, pollution, harsh chemical or skin products, or stress, free radicals are generated, and the high oxidant content of rose water help you to combat these harmful free radicals and slow down the sign of aging. Another superstar antioxidant is vitamin E. I will talk about it in a different video, but I use vitamin E in all my products because it's so nourishing and beautiful for the skin. And I want to give you a very simple mask that you can use with rose water and honey. It's very simple. So you mix 3 tablespoons of rose water with 1 tablespoon of honey to get this smooth mixture. Mix it all together, apply on the face, relax for like 15 minutes and wash it away. You will feel your skin very clean, very hydrated, and very soft. So rose water, get your hands on a bottle or get your hands on the flower water toner, and your skin will thank you.